Hi, I'm Stephanie from iCarpetTiles.com, and I'm here today with Amber and Greg Scarborough and their daughter Sienna at their beautiful home. Greg, can you tell us why we're here today?
We wanted to show off our new SoftStep carpet tiles that we use in our media room.
Why did you decide to install SoftStep carpet tiles?
We wanted something that had a comfortable, plush feel and that was easy to install.
Well, that would be the product. Can we go take a look at them?
Of course.
All right, let's go. Come on, Megan. Wow, these look great. Let's talk about how you installed them.
Well, it was easy. I found the instructions on iCarpetTiles.com. All you need is a straight edge, a tape measure, and a sharp utility knife. Remove any old floor covering and sweep away any remaining dust and dirt. Next, peel off the self-stick backing and check to see which direction to install the tiles based on the directional arrows on the back. Then press the tile onto the floor and continue this process until you get to the perimeter of the room. You measure the distance from the wall to the last tile laid, then take the tile and flip it upside down. Mark your measurement on the back of the tile with your utility knife, line the straight edge to your marks on the tile, cut along the straight edge, flip the tile over, peel off the backing, and place it flush with the wall. It's that easy.
Amber, what do you think of your new SoftStep carpet tile?
As you can see, we couldn't be happier.
SoftStep tiles live up to their name. They provide cushion and comfort. Each stain-resistant tile comes with an attached peel and stick cushion backing, making them easy to install. Specially priced as low as $1.99 per square foot, SoftStep tiles add instant elegance at an affordable price. Give us a call or visit us on our website at iCarpetTiles.com. On behalf of the Scarborough family, thank you for watching. New SoftStep carpet tiles from iCarpetTiles.com are an easy and affordable do-it-yourself project. SoftStep tiles live up to their name. They provide cushion and comfort. Each stain-resistant tile comes with an attached peel and stick cushion backing, making them easy to install. Specially priced as low as $1.99 per square foot, SoftStep tiles add instant elegance at an affordable price. Give us a call or visit us on our website at iCarpetTiles.com.